in the legislature. As workers there this August body to fight for decent work and decent pay, as they challenge our Committee on Labor to enact a genuine labor code, I hear Kapopoy ask, if the owner of capital has the right to sell his product above its cost, why is the lowly worker deprived his right to sell his own commodity, his labor power, even at its value? Why must the state and society hold sacred the privilege of capital to wealth and profit, but deny the ordinary worker the dignity of earning a living wage? On the 7th anniversary of Kapopoy Lakman, this presentation calls on all the members of this August Chamber to enact laws that would accord labor the dignity, respect, and importance that it rightfully deserves. Today, assassins and masterminds in the killing of Kapopoy Lakman have not been apprehended. Possibly, they will never be. But they are not free. They are handcuffed by their guilt. They are prisoners of the government's continuing culpable neglect, even